What's up, everybody? Sarah here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a totally free YouTube thumbnail to help make your video pop out. One of my favorite websites to use to make this free thumbnail is using Canva. You can either search for it in Google. It should be the first search term that does pop up on the engine, and then if not, you can go to www.canva.com. That will work also. So you can see there's a lot going on the page. You could even make other things other than a YouTube thumbnail to help your profiles. And the top right side, I am logged in right now since I have previously used Canva. You could sign in with your Gmail, your Facebook, your Apple ID, or you could just create your own account. So we are going to go ahead and click Create a Design. So there are a bunch of suggested templates you could use other than YouTube also, if you want to make, cards, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, anything for a presentation. But there is YouTube thumbnail. You can even make YouTube channel art. This website will do it for you. If you don't feel like clicking on any of these options, you could type in YouTube thumbnail. There are other templates that you could search. Maybe those might be relatable to you. But for this video, we are just going to click on a regular YouTube thumbnail. The pixels are in the correct thumbnail size. Once you click on the YouTube thumbnail, you will come across different templates that are already pre-made. All these ones you do see here are free. Some of them, if you scroll down, you might see a crown, which means that's part of the Canva Pro. And they will ask you here and there if you would like to get Canva Pro for free for a trial. You could simply say no to that. They will ask you a few times throughout this project. So you could scroll through beauty, tutorial, travel. You could even see all results of different templates that are already made, and you are able to customize them. Over here, you can upload your own image if you want to use your own background or your own video. All you have to do is just open it, select the file. Then we have photos. Right here you can see all of the photos that Canva has that are free to use. If you scroll down, you may see the crown again, which are the paid subscription photos, but majority of these here are free. Another thing you can add into your YouTube thumbnail is an element. You could see different shapes and frames. You can add stickers, charts, even different clip arts if you deem appropriate that is tailored to your video. You can go ahead and click on any of them, and then they will pop into your workspace on the right hand side. Next, you can add some text to your thumbnail. At the top, you can either add a heading, subheading, smaller writing if you want to create your own levels of title. Then you can see that they do have different font combinations. Most of these here are free, except right up here you can see that there is the crown I was talking about earlier. That is part of the Canva Pro subscription. You don't really have to worry about that though, because like I said, majority of these are free. If you would like a moving thumbnail, then this folder right here, they'll give you different backgrounds, templates, anything you can use to have a video for a thumbnail. If you don't want to use a picture for your thumbnail background, then they do have regular backgrounds that are either, single colored, different styles, fun stuff. They just have a whole bunch right here that you could, as you can see, there's different styles, patterns, outer space, colorful, a lot you could think of. And then right here is where you could save different styles, backgrounds that you like that you might want to use again, ones that you've marked that you liked, that you purchased. And then you can create different folders for different projects that you have, but that is part of the Canva Pro. So let's go ahead and make a thumbnail. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go with a background for this tutorial. Let's see, there's a lot. Honestly, I love these all. I want to look for something more vibrant, bold for this one. Let's go, we'll use this one. You just have to just click once, and then it will pop up onto the screen on the right, as you can see right here. And then we want to add text to it. Like I said, this is always so hard to choose, because you want something that will go with your background, something that you do want to pop out so people are more likely to click on your video. We don't want to really go with any of these smaller text. I've seen these a lot with, on Instagram posts, pictures that have quotes, memes, So we want to go with something that's a little more bold. So you can keep scrolling, looking. You can even test out different ones that you would like. You know, you could just delete it and simply choose another. I'm going to go with this one right here. Just something simple for the clip to show you. All you have to do is click on it once. It might not load right that second, so don't keep double clicking. Otherwise, it will add more. And then we're going to hit how to make a free YouTube thumbnail, because that's what this video is about. Killing two birds with one stone. I'm going to change the font, make it smaller. You can test out different sizes to make sure that it fits within the thumbnail frame. Then you can go ahead and grab the corners, adjust it, make it towards the middle. And then, so I'm content with this spot right here, so I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to change the color. I do want it white for this one. And then, like I said, adjust it a little more. And then you can add an effect. You can make this pop out. You can see on the left-hand side there are different ones. There we go. I accidentally clicked out of it. So you see how it'll give it like the shadow effect on there. So I have it all centered up, but I do want to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the font size just a little bit bigger. You could pull on the sides to drag it more left and right. So then you have more text, not on so many lines right here. So I'm content with this one right here. It's simple. The font's out there. I like it. I'm not going to add any of the clip arts that Canva gives right here. I'm just going to leave it simple. So this right here is my final product. So you're going to go ahead and download the thumbnail. I would leave it as the PNG file type. The other ones you don't need to worry about. Some of it comes with the Canva Pro. Then just click download. It will ask you again to refer your friends or sign up for a subscription. But all you have to do is open or save or just whatever you want, wherever you want to put the file. So once again, it's downloaded, so you can open the picture itself. You could view it in your downloads, and then you're able to go from there. Then when you go to upload your video, or even if you want to go to one of your previous videos, you could just click on the thumbnail section and then be able to put wherever you save this thumbnail to onto your YouTube page video. Well, that's all I have here for this tutorial today. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials.